This is the next topic in first module, Ernst-Merchant's tool equation. Merchant circle diagram is used to analyze the forces acting in metal cutting. The analysis of three forces system which balance each other for cutting to occur. Each system is a triangle of forces. Assumptions made in drawing merchant circle. Shear surface is a plane extending upwards from the cutting edge. The tool is perfectly sharp and there is no contact along the clearance force. The cutting edge is a straight line extending perpendicular to the direction of motion and generates a plane surface as the work moves past it. The chip does not flow to either side, that is, chip width is constant. The depth of cut remains constant. Width of the tool is greater than that of the work. Work moves with uniform velocity relative to tool tip. No built-up edge is formed. This is a figure indicating merchant circle. T1 is thickness of the chip before cut, T2 is the thickness of the cut chip, alpha is rake angle, beta is friction angle, phi is shear angle. Fs is shear force, Fns is force normal to the shear force, Fn is normal force, Ff is frictional force, Ft is vertical thrust force, Fc is horizontal cutting force, and Fr is resultant force. From the figure, angle BOA is 90 minus beta, angle COB is beta minus alpha, and angle DOB is pi plus beta minus alpha. To find Fc and Ft, horizontal cutting force and vertical thrust force, from the triangle BOC, cos of beta minus alpha is equal to Fc by Fr, Fc is equal to Fr into cos of beta minus alpha. From triangle BOC, sin of beta minus alpha is equal to Ft by Fr, Ft is equal to Fr into sin of beta minus alpha. To find Fs and Fns, shear force and force normal to the shear force. From triangle OBD, cos of pi plus beta minus alpha is equal to Fs by Fr, Fs is equal to Fr into cos pi plus beta minus alpha. From triangle OBD, sin of pi plus beta minus alpha is equal to Fns by Fr, Fns is equal to Fr into sin pi plus beta minus alpha. To find Ff and Fn, frictional force and normal force, Ff and Fn are expressed in terms of Fc and Ft, horizontal cutting force and vertical thrust force. Two lines are extended parallel to each other, O to M and A to N. The line Mn is passing through the point C. From the figure, from the diagram, Ff is equal to Oa is equal to Mn, Ff is equal to Mn is equal to sum of Mc and Cn, but from Mc is equal to and Cn are unknown. From triangle MCO, sin alpha is equal to Mc by Oc is equal to Mc by Fc. To find Cn, from triangle CNB, cos alpha is equal to Cn by Cb is equal to Cn by Ft. Cn is equal to Ft into cos alpha. Therefore, Ff is equal to Fc sin alpha plus Ft cos alpha. Fn is equal to AB is equal to OR. Fn is equal to OR, which is the difference of OM minus MR. OM and MR are unknown. From triangle OMC, cos alpha is equal to OM by OC is equal to OM by FC. OM is equal to FC into cos alpha. MR is equal to NB. From triangle CNB, sin alpha is equal to NB by BC is equal to NB by FT. NB is equal to FT into sin alpha. Therefore, Fn is equal to Fc cos alpha plus Ft sin alpha. To calculate coefficient of friction, Ff is equal to nu into Fn, nu is equal to Ff by Fn, nu is equal to fc sin alpha plus ft cos alpha divided by fc cos alpha minus ft sin alpha. Outcomes: we can understand the mechanism of chip formation and differentiate between orthogonal and oblique cutting, and also able to derive an expression for various cutting forces using Merchant's tool diagram, and also can solve numerical problems on various cutting forces through Merchant's diagram.